Again, the Alaska Range from a long distance away, very majestic mountains there. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Here's your numbers out the airport right now. 37 are high after an overnight low of 8 degrees. Record high 55, 1938, down to 32 below at 1944. Sunrise and sunset almost 14 hours of daylight. We will go over 14 hours tomorrow as we gain another 7 minutes of daylight from today. Here's your satellite picture, and the clouds are getting a little more dense across the southern half of the state, and they are moving up in the south. We are looking at a little bit of a change coming in. Nothing really heavy, like I said, nothing really substantial, just a little bit of possibility of some cooler temperatures and some light snow. Across the state today, here's what it looks like. Cloudy to partly cloudy skies over the southeastern sections. A little rain falling around Kodiak Island. Up and down the west coast, looking at partly cloudy to cloudy skies. The same for the north slope. Sunny skies around Fort Yukon and 21 degrees. Lower 48 weather, quite a bit of weather to talk about. We'll start over the Pacific Northwest and talk about some rain falling again over the northwest. But then as you head to the east, you get into a big mass of moisture and storminess, all in association with an area of low pressure sitting up here. It is spawning heavy thunderstorm activity, hail almost softball size near St. Louis, and possible tornadoes being developed all along this frontal boundary here. So it's going to be kind of a rough night for the deep south and the southeast tonight and tomorrow. In fact, you can see right here the highest risk right around the Little Rock area all the way up to St. Louis, and then spreading back down to parts of Texas and over to the southeastern sections. And as far as what lies ahead, well, as long as this area of low pressure continues to hang back here, that's going to continue that jet stream and bringing with it lots of moisture and spinning in the atmosphere and helping to develop those severe thunderstorms. So it looks like some rough weather for the next couple days in the lower 48. Here in Alaska, just the opposite. Flurries and fog for the Barrow area, partly cloudy skies for Nome and Fort Yukon. Over the interior, another nice day expected. Mostly cloudy skies for Healy, Delta Junction, and Fairbanks, right around 40 degrees once again. Over southeast Alaska, partly cloudy for Juneau, but some showers in for the forecast for Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, it looks like for the most part rain and snow at Cold Bay, rain for Kodiak, and cloudy skies at Bethel. While over the south central regions, we're looking at increasing clouds for Anchorage, partly sunny in Valdez, and showers at Homer. And again, it's time for our kids' weather. And all this week we've been talking with the kids from Ladd Elementary School, but here's the teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Merrick, and this is my 4th grade class from Ladd Elementary School, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that there is a city in South America in the country of Colombia which receives more than 43 feet of rain a year?
That's a lot of rain. Only 9 inches usually falls in the Fairbanks area. Next week we'll be visiting with the kids from Barnett Magnet School as we continue our kids' weather program. Forecast for tonight, 12 degrees, clear skies early, then more clouds moving in by morning. Tomorrow's forecast, again looking at mostly cloudy skies throughout the day and continued mild 41 degrees. And then the change starts to take place for the weekend. More clouds, cooler temperatures moving in for Saturday and Sunday. Maybe even some light snow in the forecast for Sunday, but again, no accumulation expected. It'll be too warm, and then we'll get back to temperatures once again very mild, but a little bit cooler than they have been, but still very nice for this time of year. 30 degrees for the daytime highs, overnight lows at 5.